Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had an amazing Christmas and a wonderful New Year. So I am back again with yet another very interesting topic, and that is holiday belly. Sounds interesting? So what is this? Simple, it's belly full of jelly. Well, in actual sense, holiday belly is that extended bloated belly that happens during and post holiday, and this bloated belly generally comes along with other digestive symptoms like tummy aches, diarrhea, and sometimes constipation. And this can result in poor gut health, which affects your mood, energy levels, and immunity. So who would want to ruin this festive season when we wait all year around to spend this magical time with our friends and family? Nobody, right? So every year I get asked about holiday belly. So I decided to create a video for you guys. So today I am going to share why gut health matters, why gut issues or holiday belly happens post-holiday, and how you can reset your gut post-holidays. But before I begin, if you like what I share, then please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell icon. I share science-backed videos related to nutrition, especially sports nutrition, every Friday. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Lot of you guys might expect stomach issues in January. Any of you guys facing any gut issues? If yes, then watch this video carefully. So let's first understand why gut health matters. Well, our gut plays a huge role in the health and well-being of our bodies. A healthier gut leads to healthier immune system, then better heart health, then effective digestion and better sleep. Wait, the list is not yet over. It also contributes to better mental health, improved mood and better memory. In fact, 70% of our immune system lives in the gut. So just as your skin protects you against foreign invaders on the outside, your gut lining protects you on the inside. So then what makes gut health worse during holidays? Lot of us deal with gut issues during holidays because we are eating foods that are altering our digestion over extended period of time. We are also not sticking to our usual routine due to social events, busier work schedule, traveling, and all these factors affect gut health. So here's the thing. Our gut loves routine, especially when it comes to sleep, exercise, and meals. Since you are not exercising as often, sleeping less, eating at different times than usual, traveling more, and not staying as hydrated, our microbiome suffers. And what's more, you are also eating less fiber and more high lactose dairy, cruciferous vegetables, wheat, alcohol, and sugar, all serious enemies of your gut health. We know fatty sugary foods promote bacteria that are not beneficial for gut health, and if you indulge over days or weeks, you are pushing your gut microbiome towards an imbalance. The biggest complaints I get during holiday season are bloating and constipation, so much that people feel uncomfortable in their clothes and they think they have gained weight. Many people also report indigestion, acid reflux, heartburn during this time of the year. But the good news is all these are manageable, as gut issues are typically due to changed routine and specific problems that comes around this time of the year. You can change your gut microbiome within a couple of days just by changing your diet and lifestyle. Now wait, this doesn't mean that you start depriving yourself during this holiday season, but there are plenty of ways to reset your gut and minimize digestive destruction without giving up all your holiday happiness. So today I am going to share 10 best ways to align your gut and get back on track. So to begin with, start your day the right way. So many of us enjoy some coffee or tea in the morning. So we need to pause and make an effort to enjoy something else. Our body is naturally very acidic in the morning as it cleanses itself overnight. So try starting your day with either lemon water or ginger water, apple cider vinegar, green juice, or even fenugreek seed water. So next in the list is eat more fiber and probiotic rich foods. Your beneficial gut bacteria feeds on fiber, and when you decrease it, they don't flourish. And as a result, you get digestive issues. So along with enjoying your favorite dishes during this festive season, make sure to include fiber-rich foods like whole grains, beans, legumes, vegetables, nuts, and avocados. Also, try to include probiotic foods during and post festive season. So fermented foods like kefir, kimchi, yogurt and kombucha are good probiotics. So next on the list is pretty common, but still we need a reminder, and that is avoid sugary foods. Simple, steer clear of added sugar wherever possible. Excess amount of added sugar flows quickly to the large intestine where it is consumed by the bacteria, and this in turn causes higher production of gas, diarrhea, and potentially it disturbs up the balance of microbiome. So what you need to do? Simple, stay away from added sugar as much as possible. Next comes on the list is again simple, but again we need repeated reminders, especially to my athletes, and that is hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Proper hydration is the key to feeling your best. We tend to drink less water during holidays while increasing our intake of dehydration promoters like salty treats, caffeine and alcohol, and this can result in poor digestion. So drinking water and keeping yourself hydrated keeps your digestive system well lubricated and prevents constipation. So guys, keep an eye on your water intake. So moving on to my next tip. Guys, don't hate me for that. Anyways, I still need to remind you, limit your alcohol intake. Repeated use of alcohol is linked to gastritis and intestinal inflammation, which is a sign of unhealthy gut. Such inflammation can lead to chronic discomfort, then ulcers, heartburn, and bacterial infection. Also, too much of it affects sports performance. And last week, I made a detailed video on how alcohol affects athletic performance. So all my athletes, make sure you don't miss that video. So guys, moderation is the key. Try to limit your alcohol intake as much as possible. But if you're facing some serious gut issues, then my suggestion is to avoid it completely. Now moving on to my next tip, guys, make sure you mark your calendar with some on and off days. See, you need to plan your schedule ahead and mark the days filled with holiday parties in terms of overindulgence. Then stick to your regular healthy meals on the days in between. Changes in eating can shift your microbiome very quickly. So getting your diet back on track as soon as possible is well worth the effort, and you might feel better just after a few days of eating well. So guys, after managing your schedule, you need to manage your stress. Happy gut isn't just about food. Stress can wreck the balance of microbiome. So the stress hormone cortisol causes bloating and stomach pain. Stress also increases the growth of harmful bacteria in the intestine and inhibits good bacteria. So sometimes as simple as daily walk might help in improving gut health, as research suggests that exercise can increase quality and quantity of gut boosting microbes. Also, include foods rich in magnesium, zinc and omega-3 fats, as they have a calming effect, and they are also added nutrition strategy to manage your stress and anxiety. So moving on to yet another important suggestion, and that is you need to make some time for exercise. Festive season shouldn't be an excuse to avoid your daily exercise. You don't have to exercise 60 minutes a day, but make an effort to do some kind of physical activity. It could be dancing, walking, yoga, or hitting a gym, which will keep your gut moving and improve digestion. My next suggestion is to stock up and include superfoods for your gut. Add variety of foods and colors to your diet. Don't miss out on adding probiotics and prebiotics to your diet. You can also include fruits like pineapple, as pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain which works as a digestive aid, which helps in keeping your gut healthy. And my last tip is to practice intermittent fasting. I hope most of you are aware about intermittent fasting, and the most common one is 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating. So now you might be thinking, why am I suggesting intermittent fasting? Well, our gut microbiome loves the time to rest and recover so that it can concentrate on growing anti-inflammatory species. After a day or days of indulgence, try fasting for 16 hours and feeding for 8 hours. This intermittent fasting reset will help your system to recover and reduce inflammation. So remember guys, there are no quick fixes. Your gut health is like a garden or ecosystem. If you want good plants to grow, then you need to take care of your garden, else weeds will take over. I know you're probably sick of hearing the same basics. Eat fruits and vegetables, exercise, and don't make the treats too frequently. But the fact is, basics only work at the end of the day. And the fact is, good gut health is hard won and easily lost. So it's worth putting all the effort. A preventive mindset helps. So if you do the right thing most of the time and indulge just now and then your gut health will be okay in the end. So I hope with the discussed remedies and foods, your gut health will fall into place and soon you will be back on track. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.